Hey everyone, this is Joric. Welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm an American living in Portugal. I like to talk about all things Portugal to help expats or those of you that are visiting, whether it be for a day, a week, or a month in Greater Portugal. And then I also like to take you on our trips when we go do them. So recently we were in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and my wife and I happened to take in an experience that we absolutely loved with Chef Enrique and his family. It was called CookinVallarta. So I want to show you some videos and slides from that. I'm not good at cooking. I'm really good at eating. My wife is really good at cooking. So for me, it was a great experience to be able to learn how to make some of these dishes. And Chef Enrique was the perfect person to educate us. So first things first, when you show up at the property, he'll have you get in the vehicle. For us, it was a vintage VW Bug, which absolutely loved. And we went to the local market, kind of tooled around the seafood area. He kind of showed us what to look for really fresh fish and produce and not so fresh. And then we stopped by a tortilla place to pick up some tortilla dough. It was fascinating for me because I like machinery, so I loved watching the tortilla press whip out a bunch of these, as you can see from the video, per minute. Then we made our way back to Chef Enrique's place. So his wife was already prepping some of the things that we were going to be working on. And today's menu was octopus and chorizo tacos, ceviche, chili rellenos with shrimp, and then orange margaritas, which actually had some hibiscus. So as you can see from the photos, we were learning how to prepare the octopus, which was a great learning experience for me. And then we started prepping the ceviche, getting the chilies grilled up a little bit on the stove. And as we were preparing some of that stuff, we also had a little pico de gallo. The octopus was finally done. It was ready for its next phase. We had completed the ceviche, which is a beautiful photo. It's fantastic. And then next was getting the shrimp prepared, and then ready to do the chili rellenos, which was interesting because we had not seen it before. They actually used banana wraps, or banana leaf wraps to cook the chili rellenos, which was very cool. And then we prepared the octopus and got a little chorizo going with it to give it a little spice, which was fantastic. And then while we're doing that, we didn't realize that we were getting some margaritas, or actually learning how to make some proper margaritas. He gave the press to me, and we started pressing lime juice and oranges to make an orange margarita. I think he put a little hibiscus. There was a little purple food coloring that he put in. And the margaritas were scrumptious. And then lastly, I don't really have good photos or video of it, but his wife showed us how to properly roll tortillas, put them in the press, and then how to properly heat them up on the stove, which was a good learning experience because we love Mexican food. And then finally, the chili rellenos were done and things were plated. As you can see, a beautiful photo of the octopus and chorizo with the chili rellenos. The tortillas were off to the side. I did not get those in the photo. And then lastly is a photo of Chef Enrique, his wife, and their family. And again, it was just the two of us. It was an absolutely fantastic experience. And if you're going to be in Puerto Vallarta, and if you're done getting sunbathing, hanging out by the pool, swimming in the ocean, I would highly recommend using their services. And they're highly reviewed on TripAdvisor and Google and other sites, so they're not unknown. But sometimes you could say that highly reviewed places might be a little overrated. This wasn't. It was highly personalized, and they did a great job giving us information, letting us do most of the work, the heavy lifting, so to speak. It was an absolute joy to be with these people. I really encourage you, if you want to spend an afternoon having great food, great conversation, it's a must-do. So I highly recommend, give a thumbs up to CookinVallarta. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day.